Hello my friends, and welcome to another unboxing and review. Today the cats are helping me with this one. This is the Nitier's automatic either dog water bowl dispenser or for cats. This holds 8 liters, so if you have a multiple cat family or big dogs or whatever, this is going to work really good. We have the base, nice stainless steel drinking thing. It's easy to take out and clean. The BPA-Free 8-liter tank, so that's good size. We have a little filter here that just screws into the bottom of the the lid here. Excuse me, and that just locks into place. What you want to do before you use it is make sure you rinse it out, make sure there's no like carbon stuff in there. Just screw that on. It locks in at the appropriate place. It stops automatically so it doesn't go any further, so it fits perfectly in there. Very convenient, easy to set up, guys. I mean, just put the filter in there, screw it on, put the lid on, and you're good to go. This has this little nozzle here. So it's basically a spill-proof nozzle. So if when you fill that up with water and turn it over and put it in, and then you just flip down the nozzle, and that allows the water to come out. So these have little legs on them with a silicone pad so that it doesn't slip around. You can either have them in there or not. I chose to put them in here. Maybe a little bit taller, easier for the cats to drink out of, I don't know. But yeah, everything seems, first impression, like nice and sturdy built. No batteries, no wires, no apps, no nothing. Just simple, easy, clean water. I like that it's a large reservoir. Even comes with this nice little cleaning thing, so you can get up inside there if you need to clean out any gunk or whatever. But it does have the little filter and other things. So let's clean this out. Just rinse it out with hot soapy water and run like some water through it, and we'll be good to go. Well, fill this up with water. 8 liters of water, like you see. So we have our little container here. What's nice about this is even though you fill it up, you don't have to worry about water splashing all over the place like some. You just can sit this right into its place. Also, what is cool is that when you turn this, you don't have to guess like, oh, I have to stop in the middle. You just turn it until it has a little stopping point right there. It doesn't go any further, and that makes it perfect. So it fits right into here. Yeah. So no water spilled, as you guys can see. I rinse this out, and we just push this down. Check that out. Just gonna fill that up with water. And then cats or dogs. And you can see it's a nice big area here. So if the animals are like lapping that up, they're gonna be not cramped for space here. So we can see it's a large, I like the fact that you don't have to worry about, like I said, don't have to worry about batteries, wires or anything like that. And it's a good amount in here too. So it's just, we notice once it hits that level, then it just stops. So it's not only is it going to be continuously like the fresh water, it also has the filter system in there that'll be flushed out with water. Rinse this out, wash this, and flush water through the filtration system. And then it's just going to give you basically nice pure water. So unlike others that like kind of cycle the water through, they do have little filters and stuff too, but sometimes, the cats, they get kitty litter. Somehow they manage to get kitty litter in their water, and then that's cycling through. With this, if it does get in here, it's as simple as just pushing this up. We just push that up and then remove that, wash it out or whatever, and then we can just put this back down here. So that works really nice. As you can see, this does a great job of maintaining this water level. I want to take it out to my cats and see what they think about it. But I mean, obviously you don't want to leave just water in here for months at a time until it's empty. You want to give them some fresh water. But the fact that this holds a lot, so you could go a couple days, go on vacation or whatever, and you could be confident that your pets are going to have plenty of nice, fresh, clean water. So yeah, let's see how the cats think about this, or let's see what the cats think about this. Oh my goodness, fresh water. Tommy, you get some fresh water too. Yeah, good kitties. Good kitties, fresh water. Yeah. They're not as scared of it. My orange cat, as you can see, is kind of skittish. He's kind of afraid of other things. It's okay, Thomas. But with this, it doesn't have any electrical noise, no like water pumping. We'll see if maybe a little bit of water glugs out of there. Wow, they were thirsty. There, where Boogie was at, there's a little bit of water splattered there, but not much. And yeah, I think this is a big hit with the cats. They really like it. And even Thomas, who I'm most concerned about. Boogie is my gray cat, and he's pretty brave. He doesn't really worry about any new things or battery operated things or anything like that. But Thomas sometimes he's a little afraid, so I really like that Boogie just kind of showed him the way, and then he just started drinking. They both were, so what a good kitty you are, Thomas. You getting lots of water? Yeah. I want to see if it does a little glug of water, if he'll be afraid, but good job, Tommy. Good job. Was it good water? Is that yummy water? Boogie, you want more water? Boogie, do you want more water? Thomas is getting his water. Good job, Tommy. Is that yummy? Good job, Thomas. Good kitty. Oh my goodness, that was yummy. Well, friends, as we can see, this thing holds a ton of water, and the cats really like it. They really appreciate it. If you had a dog or something too, I'm sure it's got plenty of space. There's both cats are drinking at the same time, so plenty of room for the cats to drink and just get nice fresh water without having to worry about cords and batteries and anything like that. So I really like this. It's easy to work with, easy to clean, and the cats really like it too. So thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Hope it's helpful. You guys have a good day, and I'll see you next time.